Welcome to Today Learn. This is a long English speaking practice video. If you want to speak English confidently, this practice is for you. Relax comfortably and listen carefully. You do not need perfect English. You only need to practice. Let us begin. First, say these sentences slowly. I am learning English. I want to speak English. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I practice English every day. Good, now breathe and speak again. I am confident. I am improving. I can speak English. Remember, slow English is good English. Now let us practice speaking about yourself. Say, my name is Yelenso. I am from Chaz. I live in Chaz. I am learning English now. Repeat again. My name is No. I am from Durgaiti. I live in Brai. I am learning English now. Very good. Now let us talk about daily life. Say, I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I have breakfast. I go to work. I come back home. I rest at night. Repeat slowly. This is real English. This is daily English. Now let us practice present tense speaking. Say, I am walking. I am eating. I am drinking water. I am watching a video. I am learning English. Say again. I am walking. I am eating. I am drinking water. I am watching a video. I am learning English. Excellent. Now let us practice simple questions. Listen and repeat. How are you? What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What are you doing now? Answer slowly. I am fine. My name is Guillermo. I am from Buidirar. I work as Narar. I am learning English. Good job. Now let us practice polite English. Say, please help me. Thank you very much. Excuse me. Sorry, I am late. Can you help me, please? Repeat again. Polite English is very important. Now let us practice English without translation. Do not think in your language. Think in English. Look around you. Say, I see a chair. I see a table. I see a phone. I see a screen. I see light. Now describe actions. I am sitting. I am listening. I am speaking. I am practicing English. Very good. Now let us practice confident sentences. Say, I can speak English. I'm not perfect, but I am learning. I speak English every day. I am getting better. Repeat again. Confidence grows with practice. Now let us practice common daily sentences. Listen carefully. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am tired. I am busy. I am free now. Say again. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am tired. I am busy. I am free now. Good. Now let us practice asking for help. Say, can you help me? Can you repeat, please? Can you speak slowly? I don't understand. Please explain again. Repeat slowly. Very nice. Now let us practice talking about time. Say, it is morning. It is afternoon. It is evening. It is night. I am busy today. I am free tomorrow. Repeat again. Now let us practice short conversations alone. Say, hello, how are you? I am fine. What are you doing? I am learning English again. Hello, how are you? I'm fine. What are you doing? I am learning English. This is how conversations start. Now let us practice thinking aloud. Say whatever you are doing. I am sitting now. I am listening to English. I am repeating sentences. I am practicing speaking. This is very powerful. Now let us practice future speaking. Say, I will practice English tomorrow. I will speak English every day. I will improve my English. I will be confident. Repeat again. Great. Now remember something important. Mistakes are normal. Do not stop speaking. Do not be shy. Say, it is okay to make mistakes. I learn from my mistakes. I continue speaking again. Now let us practice simple opinions. Say, I like coffee. I like tea. I like learning English. I like improving myself. Repeat slowly. Now let us practice negative sentences. Say, I am not tired. I am not afraid. I am not perfect. But I am learning. Repeat again. Very good. Now relax and listen. English is a skill. Skills grow with daily use. 5 minutes a day is enough if you practice every day. Speak English when you are alone. Speak English in your mind. Speak English out loud. Now repeat these final sentences. I speak English every day. I am confident. I am improving. I can speak English again. I speak English every day. I am confident. I am improving. I can speak English. Excellent. Remember, you do not need to be perfect. You only need to start. Practice again tomorrow, and the next day, and every day. Keep learning, keep speaking. This is Today Learn. Thank you for practicing with me.